Alright, Sunday morning, it's like not even 7 o'clock yet, and I'm getting started on a little roofing project for my front porch. I want to get this done, well, for a while now, and finally getting around to doing it. This is MSR, or made by MSA, I guess, Mid-States Asphalt. It's a roll in white color. That's pretty much all they had available, but yeah, so it won't necessarily match the black onyx roof that I got already, but at least it'll fill in, you know, the leaks around the edge and where the two sheets of plywood come together there. So yeah, finally gonna get this done. This is one square roll, 36 inches by 36 feet. So I'm going to use about 3 strips, probably about 8.5 feet in length, and overlap them a little bit. So yep, I'll probably roll this out, cut 8.5 foot strips, chunk them on up there and lay them out, and then I'll probably screw them into place. So probably get up there and brush off the debris that's coating up there, so I'll go ahead and do that before I get started. Yeah, it's actually not too bad up here. Brushed off some leaves and some dust and a few twigs. But yeah, I'm ready to go ahead and cut my strips and toss them on up here and then get them into position. Okay. Yes, that's what it looks like. Old white stuff. So, hey, it'll serve the purpose. It may not match the rest of my roof, but that's alright. Okay, well, let me go ahead and roll this out, take a measurement. About 8.5 feet, and then I'll mark it. Okay, so I got my marks, one there, and you can barely see the other one there, and my straight edge, little piece of trim, which will work, and roll this up and toss it on up there. There we go, a little something like that. And now cut it with some tin snips, because that's pretty much all I got. Alright, that wasn't too bad. I'll go ahead and roll this up and toss it on up there, and I'll just go ahead and cut all 3, and then I can just lay them all out at the same time. There you go. That's what it looks like. Rolled out. Figured it's probably easier to go ahead and just set this one in place, and then I'll get the other 2 cut and overlap them. But yeah, not too bad. And no, I'm not putting that tar paper up here because I don't need it. This is treated plywood, so this will suffice. Alright, so one's already in place, and I just attached it on the edges because I'm going to be overlapping in the middle there, or on the upper side. So cool, we'll continue on. Yep, roll out section number 2. Probably about right. I'm marking it about 102. It's 8 foot 6 inches. About there. And right about there. And we'll get my little straight edge and draw a line. Well, something like that. So, I'm going to need 2 hands for this. So let me go ahead and draw it out. Something like that there, if you will. And again, these snips do a good job cutting. Of course, if I had a proper tool like a razor blade, I'd probably be able to just zip right through it pretty quick, but I don't. So for a do-it-yourself project, you make do with what you got. Alright, another one's cut. Now up the ladder we go. Alright, middle strip is in place. Just gotta screw it into position, and I'm gonna take a measurement to see how much more I need on the third strip here. Alright, with the overlap, be almost 35 inches, so I'll have an inch overhang here, which will be good. Go ahead and get it attached now and cut the third strip. Alright, second strip is attached. So, time to get the last one cut. Alright, roll it out. Probably about right. Alright, final line marked. Whew. Alright, roll it up and alley-oop it up there. Oh yeah, beautimous. This project is done. Everything is attached. And yes, I took the cheap way using sheetrock screws, because that's pretty much, again, all I got. But it'll hold it in place, and as being a dog days of summer, it'll melt the tar into position. So I should be good to go. And again, you know, this is simply covering my front porch here. So will it leak? There is that slight possibility, but it won't leak in the middle anymore like it used to. So I think I'm good to go there. So anyway, yeah, this project is done. I'll go ahead and clean up my mess, and I'll save this other 3-foot strip for another project another day, I guess. So alrighty then, well, until next time, adios.